Hi, this is Those Mechanical Guys. I'm Darius.
And I'm Sam.
Well, today we'll be working on Sam's
My new
Civic.
car.
Yeah.
We'll be doing a oil filter change. And oil.
And
Fuel
filter change. Let's get cracking.
Cracking.
Something's going on again, I know it.
Yeah, I can tell.
What the hell? Just turn that up.
You turned it up.
What the hell?
Take it out, dude. Hey,
No,
presto.
minimum.
Is the bolt stuck in there?
Nope, right here.
Well, I was hoping the same trick would work.
It's almost as black as you! Just kidding.
That's not very nice. What's going on? Yeah. Into the darkness. You'll be leaky as balls.
It'll be as leaky
Thing.
as your girlfriend after I'm done with her.
That's not very nice. I like my girlfriend.
How's nigga?
Shut up. I'm gonna kick your ass. Alright, I'm kicking your
Like
ass.
to see you track? It could be human. Something that sticks from that. There it goes. Like, don't put it on the side.
So,
We're gonna change the fuel filter, which is over here on all 2000 EK Civics. But first you need to take out the fuse and then let the pressure from the
fuel filter.
fuel filter decrease.
And so fuel
And
doesn't
then
come out when you
start
take
your
out the
car up.
old fuel filter.
Once you've taken out the fuse, and then it'll go dead or die. It'll die, and then you're good to replace.
Okay. That is the mechanic right there. His wise
That's
words.
that
So now you're gonna take it out.
So we've got it started. We're gonna take out the fuse.
Yes, and then it will just die by itself.
Players.
What? Yes. So pull out the right one, not the wrong one. Hey presto. Magic.
Yes.
Alright, so yeah, you gotta take out the what? What is it? The fuel pump. Fuel pump.
No. Fuel ignition.
Fuel.
Engine management.
the fuel, the fuel engine management.
Fuel ignition. No, fuel.
Let's see.
Fuel.
Wait, show the viewers.
Good.
I don't know.
Is that recording?
Yes, it is.
Oh, good guy.
The fuel line thing. Take out the fuse. Take out the fuse so you can, yeah.
Snippety snap snap.
You can take out your fuse like Sam does on the weekend.
Permanently cable tie this to my wood.
New filter versus old.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, could you? No, you can't. Oh well. Yeah. Forgive me, dude, for doing this.
Or
Hold on. Let me show the viewers. Okay. New. Old. In with the new. Let's do this. Where's the lock for this?
what?
Oh, actually, don't worry. That should be this, right? Yeah, it is. Don't worry, pause now. Pause now. Is it recording? It is. Good day. I am fiddling with my tools and nuts.
Oh, damn. Okay.
You should be good.
Well, this can go straight to your
Beautiful, man.
Oh, you want
That light.
moment of truth?
Come on! Don't keep the fans waiting.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Yeah.
Well then, the show must go on.